on me like a Hellcat.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to play the Escape the Flood obby on Roblox. It works in 2016 in the future, I think. But yeah, what you gotta do is play Escape Flood obby and then you press play. I will show a tutorial later in the future how to play games on Roblox, how to play. But yeah, see here, we're now in a game with people. There are some people here. And then what you do, you see this water, do not touch it, because when you do, this happens. You die. So yeah, do not touch the water. Okay, so what you gotta do is go here and then jump, and then when you jump you gotta go here, then you go here, then you jump here, then you walk. You can go on both sides, nothing bad will happen. And this is a crucial step to people here see talks. But yeah, what you gotta do is go down here and do not touch the water. What you gotta do is jump there, over here. I'm gonna also make a tutorial on how to jump on Roblox later. Yeah, see, there's a window and everything is flooded. Okay, so yeah, do not touch the water again, then you will die. And also I think it saves, so if you die then it's okay. So yeah, jump here and then jump here and here. Then you go down here and you continue going down. But don't go down here, because if you do, then you touch the water. No, you do that, you die. Let's see here, this is on fire. There's another person. So jump and jump. So you gotta continue jumping until you get here. So what you do here is that just walk. You don't want to both the sides, but yeah, don't touch the water again. Damn it, I accidentally fell. Damn it. So yeah, so just say it again, did not touch the water. Accidentally fell. I showed you what happens if you fall down. You die. You climb up here. I gotta send it for because of my fan, so I'm accepting it. I'm gonna show you later, also a tutorial video on how to accept friend requests on Roblox. So what you do, you go down here and then you fall down here. You will not deal damage from this stuff, so don't go here because you can't continue. So yeah, you gotta climb up here, and when you do, you gotta go to this helicopter. right there. Okay, and then you like jump, then you go to the helicopter. You can't touch the propellers, they won't kill you. They go down here, and then you end up in this fire. Yeah, see, it burns, it's like fire. Oh yeah, you climb up here, and then you like nothing happens when you go here. It's just a little like special effect. And this door is also special effect, so it won't do anything. Gotta like go like down here, jump, and then you go here. And then do not go here again, because then you will touch the water and you die. So then you like it doesn't have a zip line, sadly. You just gotta go walk through it. So you just walk, and I will show you a tutorial how to like walk straight. I will like walk like this and use the mouse like this on Roblox later. So but what you do, but for this, don't go down here, because then you like die, I think. Yeah, I think you would die. You probably not touch the water, but you like still lose, and then you die. Then you walk here, and then jump, and you like go up here, and then you see oil. When you go to the oil thing, climb up here, and then you can't touch this. You do not touch this, because then you'll lose your legs. When you lose legs, you're like handicapped and stuff. Oh yeah. Oh. Sorry. I was a little angry. Then you continue walking down here. Then you like jump to the swing set. Not go to the swing set down here, because then you touch the water and then you die. As I said again, you don't have to choose which side, because you can choose whatever you want, because you don't die, but you have to just jump over this. And if you want to look more like swaggy and cool, and I guess you can do that. Okay, let's jump down here. For some reason the door doesn't flood. Luckily you can touch the water here, and then you like go here and jump. This sound, it makes like a funny sound, looks so funny. And then you are here. What you do, just like walk around for this epic restaurant. Yes, here the window's about to break. But yeah, if you go like up here. Yeah. Then you like go to this tree house. Then we're gonna jump here, jump to this big sign, fall down here, and then you climb till you get to the tree house. And then no. Oh, okay. Sorry, I was a little bit angry. Don't worry, it happens sometimes. I don't know why it does that. You don't have to worry, as I think you just gotta jump here, then you are all okay. Okay, so jump here, then what you're gonna do is climb up here, and then continue walking till you get here. Okay, and continue walking to get here too, and then you won. It was super epic. What you're gonna do, you get these things, and it's so epic. It's like a path, and it's like I think that's a gay path because it has like gay color. Like whoa, hit the whoa, like, you know, like we, and then you can now walk all over the map. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Goodbye.